We are very excited to host the launch of the Mobile Oilfield Learning Unit Tour for the City of El Paso. This is an invaluable learning experience for our students to acquire knowledge about the oil and gas industry, and we feel very fortunate in kicking off the city tour.
So what do they call the slender columns of rock? What are they taking?
We feel really proud because they picked our school. We are honored that we get to do this and we get to learn more stuff. This is mostly about fossil fuels and how they're made, but this is helping us how to learn better and understand, but it's also teaching us the importance of how we can use and how we use them a lot in the world.
Thanks to programs like MOLU, we're celebrating interactive, hands-on, world-class learning experiences from the sciences, bringing them directly to our schools and our students. The jobs in the oil and gas industry today are high-tech. The jobs in the oil and gas industry today are among the highest paying jobs in the state, so that's good news for parents and it's good news for students as well. TXOGA is very proud to partner with this industry. We're proud to partner with Marathon Petroleum and the team here at Ramona Elementary to bring the MOLU here to this next generation of Texas leaders.
By 1930, the first thing that I'm going to learn today is what they're going to produce oil and how they do it, and on ways to get oil by under the water that are long, and other difficult techniques or lessons that they can do. I like it so much because it shows like a lot of the interesting ingredients that shows how to make all kinds of metals, chemicals, solids, and other stuff.
Everything that schools like Ramona are doing to get kids interested in STEM education is extremely, extremely important. And our industry relies on kids coming into the workforce with exceptional STEM-related skills.
That's what this mobile unit is about. It's about success. It's about giving these kids that opportunity to really have fun while we're doing it. So we thank TXOGA, Marathon Oil, and the school districts for allowing this mobile unit to come here to help to continue to work to making sure that Texas Oil and Gas keeps its promises to our kids, keeps our economy churning, and making sure that our workforce has a bright future. Thank you very much.